Checking with Ron for another update on our forecast.
All right, we're starting to see those clouds rolling in just a little bit. In fact, the airport the last time was showing cloudy conditions, but now it's back to partly cloudy. That's where I expect us to be. You'll see that on the forecast for the morning hours, and then we start to see the clouds, more clouds rolling in for the afternoon. Temperature this hour, 20 degrees. Winds out of the west at 9 miles an hour. Barometer 30/3100ths of an inch, and the dew point coming in at 11. Here's those temperatures for you. 18 in Katanning this morning. Latrobe at 21. Pittsburgh 20 degrees. Butler at 19. Beaver Falls also at 19 degrees. Factor in the wind speed, about 10 degrees coming in out of the west now. About 9 is what it feels like in Pittsburgh, 7 in Butler. So even though temperatures are about 10 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday, you're still going to want to bundle up as you're heading out the door. Here's a look at yesterday's highs. Speaking of yesterday, 21 in Pittsburgh, 19 in the Butler area, 21 in Franklin Du Bois area. Only got to 15 degrees yesterday, 21 also in Latrobe and Wheeling. That was a popular number. I show that off because I wanted you to see right here, coldest start to March in nearly 40 years. If you go back, just take the first 6 days of the month. This is the coldest start that we have seen since 1980. 23.5 degrees is the average temperature. That's just taking the high and the low and dividing those by 2. You add them together, then divide by 2, and that's what you're getting. It's been 4 days since temperatures were above the freezing mark. The average high for this time of the year, if you're wondering, once again, 45 degrees. Not as cold today, 32 your expected high. Winds out of the west, 7 to 15 miles an hour. And here's your forecast, how I think the day is going to break down. You'll see those partly cloudy skies there by about 2 o'clock, though. We're looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies the rest of the day. Temperatures right around the 30-degree mark, both 2, 4, and 6 o'clock tonight. Small chance, maybe a little bit of snow here or there, but it's not going to be enough today to impact any roads. As we're heading into tomorrow, notice this is at 9:30 on Friday morning. Not seeing much at that point. And really, model data has really started to drop down our chances for some snow. Now, I do have some concerns here. Well, let's talk about those. First off, you can see the snow. This is lake effect snow showers that are moving in from the northwest this morning. That'll have at least an opportunity to impact places like up in Newcastle. But once again, it shouldn't be enough to impact any roadways out there. Let's go over to model data, and I want to show you this next system that's coming in. I'm going to do more research on this. It's the wraparound precipitation that we're looking at. First off, that area of low pressure continues to move down to our south. That probably is going to recorrect over the next 12 hours or so, and it'll probably start moving a little bit closer to us from just what data is going to point out. Also, it looks like at this point that upper low, or at least the wraparound precipitation's cut off a little bit. I'm thinking that we could see just a little better chance for some snow than what this particular model is showing. Other models are still showing a decent amount of snow as we're starting off the day tomorrow. We're going to watch closely for that, but at least right now we'll just say, hey, Friday morning there will be a chance. We'll keep you up to date. Ray will have the latest on that later on tonight. Rain, even a thunderstorm chance is going to be there as a warm front followed by a cold front rolls through our area. This will be late on Saturday into Sunday morning. If you want the 60s on Sunday morning, probably going to have to wake up pretty early in order to see that, with temperatures likely falling pretty quickly after that cold front pushes through. Here's your outlook. Today, 32, 40, your expected high on Friday. Chance for 60-degree weather on Sunday, but once again, that could be hit pretty early in the day. Let's head over it now. Actually, take a look at your weather app. Don't forget, you can always download that KDKA weather app to your phone. All you have to do to get those hourly and daily forecasts as well as severe weather alerts, just download the CBS Pittsburgh weather app. It's both in the App Store and the Google Play Store.